about 1937. And we were getting hay and straw from a barn that we were using, because I lived on a farm, really. And it was snowing and blowing. And first thing we knew, we heard a buzz. And here it was an airplane. And he was landing on a, now you won't believe this hardly, he landed on a plowed field in a E2 Cub. It was a brand new E2 Cub, right on. He didn't make any run. He just, that airplane just sat down because the wind would blow on and snow. And the fellow finally crawled out of the airplane. He was almost froze. No heater in that thing. He says, "Where am I?" So we told him. He says, "Which way's Bradford?" "North." He says, "Well, I'm on my way to Bradford." He says, "I'm taking this airplane back to the factory for a check." So the wind was so bad that he had my dad hold onto the strut of the airplane to keep it headed in the right direction so it didn't blow over, you know. And I can still see my dad running alongside of that airplane, holding onto that strut with that airplane taking off. And that was my first airplane on the ground that I ever saw, an E2 Cub.